welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, it means you're looking for an alternative. No more got to be gel, no more got to be spray, and definitely no glue, because we don't have time for all that. Thank you for clicking this video to see this face again. My name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana. Today I'm going to be showing you an alternative method to applying your lace frontal wigs flawlessly, especially when you're in a rush and you don't have any time for glue and other hustles. In less than 10 minutes, only using GLUELESS knot gel, and you're done. Apply as much as you need on your hairline, where you know your frontal is going to sit. Now, this is the wig we are going to be using. Is a new lace frontal wig I just made for myself. It's a Pixie cut, and yes, I do make wigs, so all my information will be left in the description box down below. You don't need a blow dryer for this method. You don't need anything. All you need to do is apply the GLUELESS knot gel, smooth it out on your hairline, and apply your lace frontal. After which you just place like a head scarf or a head wrap or something to secure it down while you do your makeup, and then you're done. Basically, you're done. That's all. How many minutes did that take you? So if you like this video, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried this method or if you've ever tried any other gel apart from Got2b, GLUELESS knots. All the other gels. Let me know which one works for you so I can also try it too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.